This tomato chutney starts with lentils, spices, red chilies, ginger and garlic, curry leaves, and onion. Tomatoes and chilies are also sautéed and transferred to a food processor with coconut, coriander stems, and ground to a thick paste. A tadka is prepared and poured over the chutney. This tomato chutney, start with heating up some oil and saute 2 teaspoons each of Chana Dhal and Urad Dal. Next add in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Next add in 8 red chillies. I'm using Guntur chilies, but you can use Kashmiri or any other red chilies that you like. And saute this. Next I'm going to add in a 1-inch stick of ginger that I've just sliced. I'm also going to add in 6 cloves of garlic. Add half a cup of sliced onion and saute this to caramelize the onion. Add in half a cup of curry leaves. I'm just going to transfer this to my food processor. Next, I'm going to add in 5 sliced green chilies and 2 cups of tomatoes. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of jaggery, or you could also use sugar. Transfer this as well to your food processor. Add a few slices of coconut and a 1/4 to half cup. This is about 4 coriander bunches, but I'm using the stems only. This is a great way to get the subtle flavor of coriander but preserving the red color of the tomatoes. Over the chutney though, I am going to add a tadka and heat oil and add in a teaspoon each of Chana Dhal and Urad Dal and allow this to cook in the hot oil. And then add in 2 red chilies, a 1/4 cup of curry leaves, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 1 green chili sliced. Saute this. And this is ready to pour over the chutney. Enjoy.